How to archive emails in Outlook. Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how you can archive your emails on Outlook. So if you don't want your emails to be displayed in front of you and you just want to put them somewhere in archive so that you can unarchive them when you need in future. So to do that, what you're going to do is simply come to your Outlook application. And now Microsoft has updated Outlook and made things easier. Before, if you have the older version of Outlook, you'll have to follow different steps such as going back to the file section, and then from there you have to archive them. But now in the recent update, they have made things easier. By this, you can simply come to your inbox and then you can select a specific email. For example, this is the email that I wish to archive. So you can simply click on this archive button here at the top. So simply click on it, and once you do so, you can see that email has been archived. If you wish to unarchive at this spot, you can simply click on undo, and now you can see that this has been unarchived. So once you archive the specific email, those archived email will be removed from your inbox and those will be displayed within the archive section, such as over here. So that is basically how you can archive emails in Outlook. So if you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.